Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
And let's talk about some scams. How Uber continues to get scammed over and over and over and over again. And they can't do a damn thing about it, yet they're a tech company. What is
we talked
wrong
about
with
that. We talked about that girl, a lady, Brazilian girl, that was creating tens of thousands of Uber driver accounts. Remember that? What was her name? Brazilian. What was her name?
I don't remember.
We
That's
did that,
how
like,
unimportant they are.
Yeah, she was just doing it on the driver's side. This is on the Uber Eats side. This is euros, 2.4 million euros, about $2.5 million. So how this scam? Okay, honest to God, I just don't understand. As a tech company, how you cannot catch this. Remember, we had this thing in New York City. It went on for like 6 years.
Yeah,
These two guys were creating all these, the bots, and then and not besides the bots, they were creating all these, GPS spoofing things that they were doing. Right? It took Uber 6 years to figure that out. Bro, that's been going on since the start of rideshare. But anyway, so this is fascinating. The scam was based on a tempting offer. Uber Eats meals at half price. The process involved placing an order through Uber Eats and then requesting a fraudulent refund. Although I've been doing Uber Eats orders lately, I think they're going to nip that in the bud. You know what they're doing now, Chris? Every restaurant, before, you would just walk in and grab the food and walk out. You can steal the food. You can steal all the food you want. You can just never go hungry if you're an Uber Eats driver, okay? Now, it used to be shelves, right? Those shelves are all gone at Chipotle and McDonald's, and all that is gone now. Now it's behind the counter. Besides that, every order has this specific QR code. Now what you have to do is you have to verify by scanning that QR code. Once you scan that QR code, that means the driver picked it up. It's not manual anymore, Chris. So Uber is smart. Uber is coming around after they lost 2.5 million here. So anyway, and then it goes, the refunds were then shared between the creators of the Telegram channel and users, thus delivering the promised 50% discount. The channel provided an automated service that created new Uber Eats accounts for each other. This practice helped prevent the fraud from being detected, especially by avoiding the repeated use of single account. Okay, are you ready for this number? In total, 140,000 fraudulent accounts were reportedly created. So how, as a tech company, you don't have some sort of a shit that figures this shit out? 140,000. You know why? Because you go, I don't care. More accounts. I'm going to pump up my earnings numbers now that my Uber Eats numbers are going to look really good.
Well, not only that, but they're also trying to chase the money versus not.
I know. It doesn't make sense. 140,000.
That's the whole thing. They're looking at Uber is looking at the green versus the red flags that are going up. They're like,
no, because
okay.
Uber is not losing in this. What they do is they go charge back the restaurant. That's what they do, because they get their 20 to 30% commission from the restaurant side too, right? Not just that. So what they do is they go charge it back to the restaurant, because this scam happens all the time. You deliver. It says leave at the door. Any consumer can call Uber support and say, I didn't get my food. And then Uber will immediately give you a credit. And then Uber will turn and hit the restaurant with it. That's what they'll do. So Uber's not losing anything.
That's why the PIN code is necessary.
Well, now we have that QR code. That as a driver, first of all, they're trying to, I'm pretty sure the food theft is through the roof. Okay. So at least they're trying to stop that now. Maybe this is going to be the next one. So
yeah, we'll see. But as they put out one fire, 3 more pop up.
Yeah. Well,
so look, I'm sure we'll be talking about another one that happens in the near future very soon and say, oh, how did they not catch this one? Same thing. Same exact thing.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.